Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science full guide. Start by focusing on Python basics, simple data manipulation, and practice projects. Prioritize statistics, probability, and visualization to interpret results correctly. Use online courses, books, and hands-on labs to reinforce concepts. Join communities and ask questions to speed learning. Keep a consistent schedule, aim for small wins weekly, and iterate on projects until they become portfolio pieces ready to share. To become effective, focus on core skills that power most workflows. Spend time mastering pandas and NumPy for cleaning and transforming datasets, and learn scikit-learn for model building and evaluation. Add SQL so you can query databases efficiently and retrieve the right data. Balance theory with practice by reproducing examples and modifying them. Record your experiments in a notebook and reflect on failures to accelerate improvement in both skill and confidence. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more guidance. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and frees up time for learning data science. It's a small way to reclaim study hours and reduce distractions while you code. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pick projects that excite you and solve tangible problems, then break them into manageable steps. Start with data collection, perform cleaning, explore with visualizations, and iterate on models using clear metrics. Keep thorough documentation of decisions and results so others can reproduce your work. Share your code on GitHub and write short posts that explain your approach and results. This routine builds a portfolio that employers and collaborators can evaluate easily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.